So far in our series on well-placed lines, we've looked at how to use cartoon lines to draw light that radiates, reflects, and implies symbolic shine. Today we continue our exploration into the linguistics of light, if you will, by looking at how line placement can be utilized to indicate light in staccato, brief moments of light that appear suddenly and disappear just as quickly. My name is Vernon. Welcome to Toon School. For our first tiny moment of light, we address sparkles, decorative droplets of light used to emphasize a particularly shiny or reflective surface. Applications vary from diamonds and gems to sword blades to freshly washed floors, where they are used in conjunction with the reflective lines of the surface itself. Apart from depicting pure light, the sparkle can also convey meaning, like adding it to the smile of a character who is overly confident, self-assured, vain, or arrogant. In cartoons and animation, these teeth sparkles are often accompanied by a soft ting sound for added impact. I love it when they do this. This four-pronged shape is an excellent example of what well-placed lines is all about. That in cartooning, the same lines and symbols can carry different meanings. This element is very common in the manga and anime visual language, where it can represent anger or stress or a popping vein when used with or around a character's face. That is why it is so important to ensure that the elements that you choose is telling the story that you wanted to tell. We will actually be revisiting this symbol later in the series when we address emotions. Now, as far as execution is concerned, sparkles can be depicted in many ways, as always, depending on the artist's voice and choice. The most common representation is the use of the star shape and its various interpretations like curved lines or open-pointed stars. More subtle depictions include the use of short straight lines arranged in circular formations. The I Believe collection celebrates the things that inspire us, comfort us, and spark our sense of wonder. Each original hand-drawn design is available on a selection of coffee mugs with more themes and products to follow. Find the link in the description and celebrate what moves you. Finally, the intensity of the sparkle's light can be altered by varying the line length and the number of lines that you use. The one in the corner is the mother of sparkles. It's practically the Star of Bethlehem. For effect, the different interpretations of the sparkle can be combined depending on the subject matter and the story that the artist wishes to tell. Very much like the combinations and interpretations we saw in the video on radiating light, but instead of emanating from an object, the sparkle represents a moment of light on the surface of the object. In the absence of shading, the challenge for the cartoonist is to make the viewer read stylized lines as light. As a symbolic rather than a realistic element, the sparkle is achieved through line placement and formation. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we continue exploring light in staccato by looking at how to draw sparks. Until next time, go out, be great, live creatively in very many directions, and may the creative force be with you. Waiting for the car. It's taking its time.